In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files to another folder in OneDrive. Let's get started right from your browser. Open the OneDrive website and sign in if you aren't already. You'll land on the main dashboard, which shows your recent items and quick access areas. On the left sidebar, click My Files. This is the central place where you'll see everything you've stored: documents, spreadsheets, presentations, photos, videos, and audio files. To move something, start by selecting the items you want. Hover over a file and use the checkbox. Then pick as many as you need. If you're working with a lot of files, you can select Arrange by clicking the first item, holding Shift, and clicking the last one. For non-adjacent items, use Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while you click. With your files selected, look toward the top toolbar and choose Move To. If you prefer, you can right-click any selected file and pick Move To from the menu. There's also an ellipsis, or three dots menu, where you'll find the same option. Any of these routes will open the Move panel. Give it a moment to load locations. That's normal, especially if you have many folders. If the destination folder already exists, browse to it and select it. If you don't have a suitable folder yet, no problem. Click New Folder, typically shown with a plus icon near the top. A Create a Folder window appears. Type a clear, descriptive name, so it's easy to recognize later. Then click Create. You may see a brief notification confirming the folder was created. Next, click into that new folder. Because it's brand new, you'll likely see a message indicating the folder is empty. That's exactly what we want. Now click Move Here. OneDrive will process the move. Depending on the number and size of files, it can take a moment. When it finishes, your selected items are now inside the destination folder, making them easier to find and manage. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Moving doesn't duplicate files. It relocates them, so you'll only have one copy in the new folder. If a file is shared, your ability to move it may depend on your permissions and the folder's sharing settings. For large batches, consider moving in smaller groups if you notice delays. And if you make a mistake, look for the on-screen notification. There's often an option to undo right away. That's it. Your files are neatly moved to another folder in OneDrive. Congratulations and happy organizing.